We were wasting a lot of trees that was meant to rot on the ground, and I decided it was too much waste, so I cut some up and took them into town and got them milled on. It turns out to be a Wood-Mizer, and got them dressed, and after that I was pretty much hooked. When I got these logs milled up, I didn't have any money, and I just thought, what am I going to do? And I had a Harley Davidson. I think the mill was 40 grand in the day, and I got 15 for the Harley. That's pretty much how it started. And it was 30 years ago now. And most of the saws in the day were for cutting big logs. So the Wood-Mizer, if you could tow it, we used to back it into somebody's backyard under their clothesline and mill one log in their backyard. So that is quite versatile. The first one was an LT40 in 1993. I used to drive around farms asking cockies if they wanted me to mill their trees up, you know. We can mill at home, but tomorrow if somebody rings up, we can be down the road and hooked up. We've got mates that have got some of those other sorts of mills, and they're good mills and they're right, but the time they set them up and pull them to bits, ours is just, somebody can come tomorrow with one log and we can just do it in 5 minutes and they're gone. It is simple, you know, and you can build straight off it if you want, you know. You can cut all these weatherboards, you can build the house straight off the mill, which is bloody good. And we process anything that comes off the side of the mill, we turn into firewood, and it's rewarding for people. If you mill up for somebody and they build their barn or whatever they build, it's quite neat to go and have a look at it and see it. But it was a learning curve. We've never been on a course or anything, we've just learnt by picking people's brains and spending time helping people. In the industry, most people are happy to help you, you know, and teach you things, you know. We lived in Rotorua, we had 26 acres over there when we were milling. We bought a LT70 in 2007, and that was supposed to see us out till we retired, but now we bought another one. And we actually pretty much pre-cut a house in Rotorua. And when we shifted over here, we've got a yard across the harbour there, we actually had a fire and it burnt just about all the wood that we had for our house. So we restarted again, but to be honest, the house we would have built then was different to this one. As you go along, you get different ideas, you know. Yeah, this door here is New Zealand Mat-Eye. A lot of Lawson cypress, which is actually Oceania. I think it's an American tree anyway, that's where it's come from. And some redwood, some New Zealand, Australian gum. Yeah, there's about 13 different species of wood in the house, so that was part of it as well, you know. That journey part of it's been pretty good, all right. It's about people, it really is, this whole thing, you know.